Well done. If you're watching this now, it means one of two things. Either you're someone who likes to click through the chapters and watch them in the wrong order, and why would you do that? I don't understand. Or you finish the class, and if you followed along closely, you'll have your own Wordmark logo to proudly display in your own portfolio. If that's the case, thank you so much for watching the class. I really hope you've gained something useful from watching me share my process. Building a professional portfolio can take time, and it can be quite good to show range and versatility. So you've got a strong Wordmark logo example now. If you'd like to widen your portfolio in other areas, why not check out some of my other courses on Skillshare and see if you can widen your portfolio further in a certain direction. Please don't forget to upload your creations to the class project area. I absolutely love looking through and seeing what you're able to create by putting your own spin on things. Lastly, please feel free to leave a review if you enjoyed this. Follow my profile, and that way hopefully I'll see you in the next class.